Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the JUTC. Now, the government announced that they were going to be buying 100 new buses, and they actually gave out the figure that the 100 buses are going to cost. It is going to cost 2.6 billion to buy the 100 buses. So when you work it out, that means each bus costs about $2.6 million. So we want to ask you guys a question. If the buses, 2.6 is not 2.6, 26 million per bus. 26 million per bus. So if you can get a bus for 26 million, which is not unreasonable, that sounds like an average price for a vehicle, especially a bus, why don't we have more buses? Now currently the JUTC fleet is at 215. Now you need 400 for the service to operate efficiently in Kingston, Portmore, Spanish Town. Those three areas you need 400 buses. They only have 215. As a matter of fact, it's probably closer to 200 because the last set of buses that they ordered, I don't think all of them came. So let's just work with 215. So when they get these 100 buses, and they should come before September this year, 2024, they're going to be at 315. But remember, they need 400. So they're still going to be short. And then you always have the problem of the older buses breaking down, coming out of service. So they need more buses. So I am asking you guys, why do you think they're taking so long to buy these buses? Now, the JUTC needs to operate right through Jamaica. Right through Jamaica, we need an island-wide bus service. But for now, Kingston, Portmore, Spanish Town is where they service. So I just don't understand why we don't have a fleet of 600 buses or even a fleet of 500 buses. Now, the JUTC should be buying. Okay, the government runs the JUTC, and the government has the money to buy the buses. 26 million per bus is not unreasonable. Remember now, these are the big buses. These aren't the coaster buses. These are the big buses that can carry a lot more people. Now I have to say that this government is not doing a very good job with the JUTC. Now, the JUTC was running at a $9 million loss. And the government decided to lower the bus fare. Fine, no problem. They obviously going to make it up. So that it's now running at a $16 billion loss. $16 billion a year the JUTC loses. Now remember, 100 buses cost $2.6 billion. So they could easily buy, in 1 year, the money that they pump in, 2.6 billion, 800 buses. They could buy 800 buses in 1 year. And then after that, they'll be good to go. I don't know, guys. Let me know what you think. Why is it taking so long for them to buy the buses? Alright, guys. Alright, enjoy the rest of the tour. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.